Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBIT S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So, the first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the home screen to open the menu. Then tap on this icon right here to open the list of every app on your watch. Scroll through this list and find the heart rate icon. It looks like this. Tap on the heart rate icon to open the heart rate widget. Now I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically, I believe. Oh no, you need to tap on this heart icon, my bad. So you can tap on this heart icon and let's wait. And after a couple of seconds you should see the results. You can also swipe up on the screen to scroll down, and here you have more data from the whole day. Basically you have like a graph, but as you can see I don't have enough data for it to fill in. Also you should see the max and min after a couple of measurements, and once you're done you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Also when you're on the watch face you can swipe left on the screen to open the favorites, and here you can tap on the plus button and add the heart rate widget basically. So then when you swipe left you will have the heart rate widget, and you can measure the heart rate quickly if you want to. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.